Hi, welcome to Scuba. This is the new Apeks XTX Octopus. Uses the same design and mechanism as the standard second stage, but with obviously the yellow trims to give it a higher visibility. So you've got yellow version of the front cover, the venturi control, edge housing, and obviously the Octopus length yellow hose. It's a braided hose, so you've got more flexibility, it's lighter, you've got increased burst resistance and pressure, and also UV protection as well. The second stage itself, loads of features on here, fully balanced design, so you've got great performance, high reliability, and obviously loads of airflow, so if you do need an emergency, you do have a very high flow that you can also use. Features wise, on the inlet of the second stage you've got a heatsink. This really does help to dissipate the cold that's generated as air flows into the second stage, and obviously it's a means to help prevent ice forming, and which obviously lead to free flowing. Fully reversible design, so if you prefer your Octopus coming over your left hand shoulder, or if you're using something like a twin set, you can get a technician to reverse it and have the hose out the left hand side if you want to. It's a very simple operation, but it does need a technician to do so. On the outside of the housing, we've got venturi control, and this basically again is another layer of free flow protection. In the minus position like this, it's directing air back towards the diaphragm, and that's forcing it out and obviously helping to shut the valve down. And then in the positive position, air's directed straight towards the mouthpiece, and you're getting maximum flow and obviously performance. And then the other control is for inhalation. In its wound out position, you're getting maximum performance, but you can, if you want to, you can wind it in, and that's basically increasing resistance on the valve, making it harder to open and obviously breathe. It's obviously great for controlling free flow. It's much harder to open, and obviously it reduces your chance to free flow. Another layer of protection for free flowing built into the front cover, and a deflector on the inside. Basically, water finds it very difficult to act straight on the diaphragm, so it has to work its way around. So ambient pressure can still interact with the diaphragm and obviously give it its balancing, but strong currents can't force the diaphragm down by itself, so you don't get any fluttering if you're looking sideways into a strong current, things like that. So it's an extra layer of free flow protection for that. Exhaust cover is a nice compact size, it's streamlined to help prevent any snagging, so when it's obviously against the BCD or whatever you're using, it's nice and snug, it's not going to get caught on anything, but it is interchangeable. You can swap it for the wider one if you prefer, but it isn't supplied with the Octopus. And then finally, you've got an antibacterial mouthpiece. It's obviously just a hygiene thing, it just prevents any bacteria building up on the mouthpiece itself. The mouthpiece is obviously a very soft, comfortable silicone, giving all nice soft edges just to prevent any irritation against the gums. So obviously a very high performing, redundant Octopus. That's the Apeks XTX.